is not deep.
Hey, I'd swan dive right in there. Right off the log.
Drama, that's gonna be like 10 inches.
10 inches? What?
That's not even deep. But
It's only 10 inches. That's
that's
what
probably
she
less than
said.
a foot.
It is actually pretty deep.
But do not hold on to that fucking thing.
Oh.
Cause I'm fucking serious, please.
That's your brother, retarded brain.
Get off me.
Get off me, brother.
Shut up before I maul you.
Why?
Oh, there's a big
Ariel's
fucking spider
petting
right
it.
behind
I'm already
Bill.
petting the goat.
Josh?
Hey, he's touching the nose.
No,
Hey,
Bill.
I'm already pick its nose for him.
Get off me.
Donnie!
Dad, you guys fighting me. Oh,
Oh yeah, smart idea.
I'm jumping this.
dude, why?
Donnie, I'm fucking trash.